In this video, we'll dive into the top 3 piano lesson applications: Piano Academy, Simply Piano, and Piano Learn Companion. Join us as we explore the features and benefits of each app to help you choose the right one for your piano learning journey. Piano Academy. Piano Academy is a popular app for learning to play the piano. It offers a wide range of lessons suitable for beginners to advanced players. The app provides interactive lessons, tutorials, and exercises to help users improve their piano skills. One of the key features of Piano Academy is its user-friendly interface, making it easy for users to navigate through the lessons and practice sessions. The app also offers a variety of songs for users to learn and practice, helping them develop their repertoire. With its comprehensive lessons and engaging interface, Piano Academy is an excellent choice for anyone looking to learn piano on their Android device. Simply Piano. Simply Piano is another top-rated piano lesson app that caters to users of all skill levels. One of the standout features of Simply Piano is its use of gamification to motivate users to practice regularly. The app offers step-by-step lessons and instant feedback on users playing, making it easy for them to track their progress. Simply Piano also features a vast library of songs across various genres, allowing users to learn and play their favorite tunes. The app's interactive interface and intuitive design make it simple for users to follow along with the lessons and practice effectively. Piano Learn Companion. Piano Learn Companion is a versatile app designed to help users master the piano at their own pace. The app offers a range of lessons, from basic to advanced, with clear instructions and demonstrations to guide users through each step. One of the highlights of Piano Learn Companion is its customizable features, allowing users to tailor their learning experience to suit their preferences. The app also includes tools such as a virtual keyboard and sheet music to enhance users' learning experience. With its emphasis on personalized learning and comprehensive lessons, Piano Learn Companion is an excellent choice for individuals seeking a flexible. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more music-related content. Happy playing!